Alrighty, so I am making a video about the TropicFeel 12-liter compression packing cube that hangs. So I made a video recently about like some unique innovations when it comes to this travel market, and I found this travel pack, and I was like, I want to get it. Nice little handle here. I just right off the bat, like I just wanted to make this video because not enough people actually even know about this, let alone have bought this product or bought similar products. There's only about 2 on the market that are like this. There's the TropicFeel one, and then the West Breeze. So I'm just gonna open it up so you can see what I mean. When you open it up, it has a hook like those little toiletry kits that you can carry, and it has like the spots for clothes. So you can do like underwear and socks here, and then you can have the inside for your main stuff that you're going to be using. So first and foremost, as you can see, there's these elastic straps. So they definitely intend for you to probably like roll up your stuff. You can fit like 6 things here, I think, and there's probably space on the top and bottom to squeeze a little bit more, especially since a lot of my clothes are lightweight. I think that I could probably like even roll things up and then put stuff on top of there, even on top of that. I'm a little disappointed in how thick it is, or like not thick enough at least actually, because if you look at this and like together, it really doesn't have that much space or that much give. And then when you compress it down too, it's even more, it's a little bit worse. So the whole point of this having like a hanging bag, let me make sure I show you the whole thing. So there's not much on the back besides just this handle here. There's actually only one handle, it seems like, besides these tiny little grips here at the top. And these are more so to use with their backpack, but I assume you could probably use this in other ways when you're like trying to grab it and stuff like that. But I'm really excited because, oh, the zipper, hold on. Is it opening? Okay, cool. It was like in a weird spot. But yeah, I'm definitely excited because I don't like having to use a whole separate packing cube for all my socks and underwear with, which I normally do. And then even with this, there's still a lot of space. Like this is a lot bigger than what I normally would use, but it's not as tall as some of these wider packing cubes would be for this size. So I'm excited about that. So let me wrap this up. I'm gonna close it up. I want you to be able to see it when it's fully enclosed. So again, this is just me making this video because there's just nothing else on the market besides the video that TropicFeel made themselves. And I thought, actually I think maybe Nomads Nation made a video about it, I'm not sure, but I don't think so. And on its own, it just looks like a freaking tablet case or laptop case, really. That's almost exactly the size, by the way. It's like a laptop case. And it's not that thick. So when you compress it down, you're compressing it quite a bit. So when you want to actually fill it up, there's not a whole lot of room in here. I really should have packed it out so you can see what it looks like. But this is more of like an unboxing because there wasn't actually any box. It was just a plastic, not envelope, what is it? Some kind of package, like this plastic packaging that it came with. And so really, there's not much to it, but I wanted to make this video in case you were curious about it. I was definitely curious, that's why I ordered it. And right now they're on sale for $34, I think. It's like 55, 60% off, something like that. So yeah, that's all. If you have any questions, let me know.